Hi friends, happy October. In today's video, I'll be sharing 8 crochet patterns I think you should make this month. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Allie and I'm the crochet designer behind the Turtle Trunk. I share free and easy crochet patterns here on my YouTube channel and also on my blog, theturtletrunk.com. If you're not new here, then welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. In today's video, we'll be discussing some fall crochet patterns. I also shared some more fall patterns in my last month's video, so my things to crochet in September. So if you want to head over to that video after for some more fall inspired crochet patterns, I will put a link to that video down below. As with all of these videos, these are all my own crochet patterns. You can find the free patterns on my blog or the video tutorials here on my YouTube channel. To make it super easy for you to find and make all of these patterns, I've collected them all into a blog post and also a YouTube playlist, so I will put a link to all of those down below as well. Now, if you're ready to get started, let's check out these 8 crochet patterns for you to make in October. First on our list, we have the Checkered Ghost Pillow. So I just released this pattern a couple weeks ago and I think it's perfect for October. It's cute and it's spooky. It features 18 crochet squares, so each of these squares is individually made, and then you seam them together to make 2 panels and then sew those together around a 18-inch pillow insert. So here is one side, and then I alternated the squares on the other side, so this is the back side. So I just used medium 4-weight acrylic yarn for most of the pillow except for the ghosts. I used Lion Brand Feels Like Bliss yarn. Let's see if you can see it. It's this fuzzy yarn. I love the texture that it gives it. It gives it something a little bit different. If you wanted, you could just sub with more of the acrylic yarn too. You don't have to use this yarn, but I thought it was a fun addition to it. What I love most about this pillow though is that, so you get both of these square patterns and then you sew them together, but you don't have to make a pillow if you don't want. You can use these square patterns and you can make a blanket, you could make a bag, you can use them to make coasters. There's so many different things you can do with these squares. So if you didn't want to make a pillow, but you like the squares, you can use them for so many different things, so feel free to do that as well. I was thinking that I might want to make my daughter a Halloween trick-or-treat bag with these squares. I was also wondering if I should design a couple more squares so that there's more options. I was thinking maybe doing like a pumpkin one, maybe one that says boo on it, something like that. Let me know if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, this is the Checkered Ghost Pillow. I think it's really fun and cute for your Halloween and October and fall decor. Number 2 on our list, we have the Boo Pumpkins. So these pumpkins just feature different letters of the alphabet. So originally I just had the letters B and O, so you can make Boo. So there's full written instructions for these as well as graphs. And then after I added in bonus graphs of every other letter of the alphabet. So now you can spell out any word or name that you'd like. I've seen people do Hello Fall, Happy Halloween. I did Hey Boo. And then I've seen people do like initials or their names as well. So you can customize them and do any word or name that you'd like. These work up pretty easy too. So these are just worked as a rectangle. So you crochet a rectangle worked in rows. It's just single crochets. And then you just change colors to get the letter that you want. So as long as you know how to do color changes, these are pretty easy to make. You just then seam up the side of the rectangle and then cinch in the top and bottom and you're done. So these are pretty easy to make, and again, you can customize them so they can be unique for your own home. I think they're great for gifts as well. I think these are just a really cute and fun home decor piece, something that's a little bit more unique. And I like to stack mine like this, but you can also put them in a line like this, so you can put them out however you would like. But yeah, this one's really fun and cute. Next on our list, we have another pumpkin pattern, and this is the Pico pumpkin. So this crochet pumpkin features these little bumpy stitches, and these are Pico single crochet stitches. If you are familiar with my patterns, then you should know that stitch because it is one of my favorites, and I have so many Pico patterns, so obviously I had to make a Pico pumpkin as well. So these cute little bumpy stitches, I think it makes it look like a little warty pumpkin, but like in a cute way. So I love this. This is the small version, but you can make them larger as well. You can use different yarn weights. So this is with medium 4-weight yarn, but you can use bulky 5, super bulky 6 to get larger pumpkins. And yeah, I think these are just fun and unique. I love the different texture that these provide. And again, these are really easy. It's just single crochets and these Pico single crochets as well. So I think these are really fun and unique and fun for your home decor. I personally like mixing up my crochet pumpkins, so I like to use a lot of different patterns and put them around my house and do different colors, sizes, textures. So I think adding this one in is a really fun addition because it is a little bit more unique and different. So it adds a nice fun texture to your existing pumpkin decor. Number 4 on our list is another pumpkin pattern, and this is the basic pumpkin. So this one doesn't really have any texture to it. It's just a single crochet pumpkin. So it's simple, but I think it's still cute. It's really easy to work up, and you can definitely elevate this pattern by adding ribbon or twine to the top of it. You can add fake berries or fake leaves to it too. So you can definitely elevate it to make it look a little bit more interesting, but I do also love just the simple look of it as well. So I like this one. This is the basic pumpkin. It is very easy and pretty quick to make as well. So this is the last pumpkin I'm sharing in this video, but I do have 3 more crochet pumpkin patterns. I shared them in last month's video as well. So if you do want some more pumpkin pattern ideas, check out last month's video, my Things to Crochet in September video, because I shared 3 more in that video as well. I really love crocheting pumpkins. I think they are the perfect fall home decor piece. So definitely check out all of the pumpkin patterns. Number 5 on our list, we have the pumpkin. I know I just said there's no more pumpkin patterns, but this one doesn't count. This is the pumpkin beanie. Now, I don't have one with me at this moment, so I'm just gonna put up photos. But the pumpkin beanie is perfect for fall. If you take your family to the pumpkin patch, then this is such an adorable hat to make for your kids. Although this pattern includes 6 sizes from baby to adult, so you can make one for anyone and everyone in your family. I made this one for my daughter to wear to the pumpkin patch, and it is so cute for photos. We got so many compliments on it, so I highly recommend making one. I think it would also be adorable to make these for baby's first fall. So if you had a baby this year, or you know somebody who had a fall baby or just had a baby, I think this beanie would be so cute for their first visit to the pumpkin patch. So I definitely recommend checking this one out. Number 6 on our list is the Bonfire headband. I just released this pattern last week and I love it so much. This is the 4th pattern in my Bonfire collection. So it has the same great texture as all of the other Bonfire patterns. It just uses back post and front post double crochet stitches, and you get this really beautiful texture from that. This pattern works up so quick and easy. It includes 8 sizes from baby to adult, so you can make one for anyone and everyone. The best part about it though, I think, is that it uses minimal yarn. You do not need much yarn to make this. So if you have leftover yarn, like half skeins you don't know what to do with, I think this pattern is perfect for that. I use 3 colors for mine, but you can use 1 color, 2 color, you can use as many colors as you want. So I think it's a really great stash buster. It works up quick, so I think it will be really great for holiday gifts, or if you sell at markets, I think that would be a great one as well. But yeah, I love this one. It's really perfect to keep your ears warm in the fall. You can also customize it if you wanted it to be wider or more slim. You can do that as well. It's also easy to change the circumference to really customize it to your head size. But yes, the Bonfire headband I am in love with, especially if you wear your hair up like me. I wear my hair up a lot, so I really love this one. And at number 7, we have the Bonfire beanie. So before the headband, I made the beanie, and I love this. Look how cute that is. It has the same great texture, just a few more stripes, so I have an extra color in there. But again, you could use more colors, you can use less colors, do whatever you want. I also added a pom-pom to this one because I love a pom-pom on a beanie. So this has a fold over brim, so it's really nice and warm. It will be perfect for that change from fall to winter. It also includes lots of sizes, so from baby to adult, there's lots of different sizes for you to make. I think this one is also really gender neutral as well. It can be really hard to find crochet patterns that are suitable for boys and men, but this one I definitely think is. You can make it in different colors, or you can do one solid color too. So this is a really great one for literally anyone and everyone, any age, size, or gender. I think this one's really suitable for. So I really love this pattern. Again, it has the same great textures and stitches that the headband has and all of the other Bonfire patterns, which is just is really fun and unique. And yeah, I love this one. So be sure to check out one of these. If you wear your hair down a lot, then I definitely think this one. If you wear your hair up a lot, then I definitely think the headband, or like me, make both and wear both. And at number 8, we have the Bonfire scarf. Now there is also a blanket, but I'm not adding it to this list because I've already shared that in one of these other videos, but I haven't talked about the other 3, so that's why the blanket is the only one not added into this video. But the Bonfire scarf, of course, has the same great textures. It just has thicker stripes in it. But another thing it has that's a bit different than the headband and the beanie is it has this twisted fringe edge. So this is really fun and unique. I share some tips on how to make this, but I really love the twisted fringe edge but you don't have to make it if you don't want to. You can just leave the scarf without an edge, or you can add regular fringe. You can really do whatever you want, but I definitely love the twisted fringe. And this pattern comes in 4 different sizes, but you can easily customize it to make it longer or thicker. What I really like is that it's nice and wide, so it's more like a blanket scarf, so you can wrap it around your shoulders and it covers a good portion of your back. There's so many different ways you can wear it. You can wrap it around the back and then leave these down, one up, both up. My favorite way to wear it is when you bring it all to the front. Let me get it here. Wrap it around and then bring all the loose pieces to the front, and that really shows off all of the twisted fringe at the front. It's also so warm around your neck. So again, this is a really great one for that switch from fall to winter. But let's see if we can get that in there. It's so warm and cozy. I love these patterns. I think the texture is great. The colors are great. It's so warm and cozy. I really think these are showstoppers. And yeah, I love these patterns. I think they're so fun. So definitely check these out, especially if you make one, you can make a matching set with the scarf. So make the scarf and the headband, or the scarf and the beanie, and have a matching set. I think that's so fun. And again, another great gift idea for the holidays or for making at markets. And that's our list. I hope this gives you some inspiration and ideas on things to crochet this month. I would love to hear if you do plan on making any of these patterns, or just let me know what you are working on right now or what you plan on making this month at all. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.